So children, today we have to start question number 8 of exercise 11.3. Find the cost of polishing a circular table. Polishing, we do it on the surface. That means we have to find the area. So find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter. So its diameter is given 1.6 meters. And rate of polishing is given per meter. That means 1 meter. 1 meter is given rupees 15. We have to find for the rate for the total area. So 1 is given, many is asked, obviously we have to multiply. So let's start. What is given? Diameter is given, so we are going to start with the diameter. Diameter of the circular tabletop. Is how much? 1.6 meters. We'll find out the radius from here. Yes, let's find out the radius. Radius is always d by 2, that is diameter by 2, that is 1.6 by 2 meters, which will be 2 8s are 16, so it will be 0.8 because one place decimal is there. So this is the radius. In the question it is also said take pi as 3.14. So whenever it's written take pi as 3.14, we need to always do it. Okay. So now what we have to find out? We have to find the cost of polishing. For that we need to know the area of the circular tables. Area of table, which is equal to pi r square, that is 3.14 into 0.8 into 0.8. So let's multiply. 8 8 is 64, so I am multiplying directly by 64. 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4. 5, 4 3s are 12, 4 6 are 24, 6 4s are 24, 6 1s are 6 7 8, and 6 3s are 8. 6, 9, this is 2, sorry. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2, 8 plus 2 is 2, yes. So how many decimal places, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 decimal places. So we can the answer also 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 decimal places. So it is 2.0096. Okay. Meter square. Now we have to find out the cost of polishing. So first we will write for 1 meters. Cost of polishing for 1 meter area is given how much? Rupees 15. And now we have to find for the total area. So now we write cost of polishing for 2.0096 meter square. Okay. Duster. So we are multiplying 20096 by 15. Okay. So it is 5 6 are 30, 5 9s are 45, plus 3 48. It comes here, 4 goes here, 4 comes down, 5 0 0, and 9 goes are 10. And how many decimal places? 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4. So approximately this is your answer. Okay. Very less of rupees. Approximately if you want, you can write approximately also. I have only multiplied by 5, I have not multiplied by 1. Sorry children, we multiply by 1 also. Same answer. 0. 1, 3. Now it is 1. So approximately it is 30.14. So 1/4. 2 places only. So 1/4. If you want, you can write 1/5 also. No problem. So this completes question number 8. Now we start with question number 9. Question number 9 is and here we have to take pi as 22/7. So Shazli took a wire of length 44 centimeters. So the total length of the wire is given, which is 44 centimeter, and bent it into a shape of a circle. So Shazli made the wire, bent it and made a circle. Find the radius of that circle and also find its area. So this is half part of the question. First let's do this. Total length of the wire is equal to 44 meter. Is it meter or centimeter? Let me check. 44 centimeter. Okay. Now Shazli is using this wire to make a circle. Okay. So the circle which is made from 44 meters of length will not change its length. Yes, it will be the same. That means this is 44 meters. Yes, and what is this? This is the circumference, correct? So circumference of the circle is equal to length of the wire is equal to what? Length of wire, which is equal to 44 meters. Centimeters. Sorry, I am writing meters. Centimeters. Now, we have to find the radius. So, from the formula of circumference, we get the radius. How? We know that 2 pi r is equal to 44. Yes, we put the value of pi. 2 into 22/7 into r is equal to 44. Now, 7 is in division, so it will shift this side and become multiplication. 2 is in multiplication, shifts this side, becomes division. 22 is in multiplication, shifts this side and becomes division. Okay, so together we write all. R is equal to 44 into 7 upon 2 into 20. So 22 ones are 22, 22 twos are 44. Now 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2. Now what is left? Only and only 7. So the radius is how much? 7 centimeters. Now we have to find the area of this circle. So let's start. Area of circle, pi r square. That is 22/7 into 7 into 7. Okay, the value of r is 7. 154 centimeters square. So this is one part. Now let's read the another part. If the same wire is bent into the shape of a square. Now this Shazli is not satisfied with the circle. Now he or she, whatever, is bending it to make a square. Okay, and now we have to find the sides of the square. So we all know that each side of the square will be same. Okay, and we know what is the perimeter of the square. How? Because we know the total length of the wire, that is 44. So the perimeter of the square will be equal to the total length of the wire, that is 44. From there we get the side. And also if the same wire is at, what will be the which figure encloses more area, and we have to also find whose area is greater, whether it's the circle or the square which were made by bending the wire. So let's start. So we write perimeter of square, which is equal to length of wire. Perimeter of square means 4 into sides, that is 4 into sides is equal to length of wire is how much? 44 centimeters. 4 shifts that side. So sides, each side is equal to 44 divided by 4, which is equal to 11 centimeter. Okay. Now we find the area of the square. Area of square is equal to side into side. Area of square is equal to side into side, that is 11 centimeter into 11 centimeter, which is equal to 1 centimeter or 121 centimeter square. Now you compare whose area is greater? Circle. So circle encloses more area. Since 154 centimeter square is greater than 121 centimeter square, so the circle encloses more area. Okay, so this completes question number 9. Now we start with question number 10. From a circular card sheet of radius 14 centimeter, two circles of radius 3.5 centimeter and a rectangle of length 3 centimeter and breadth 1 centimeter are removed. So we have to find the area of the remaining sheet. You can see this diagram. This is the circle, the two circles of radius 3.5 centimeters, and this is the rectangle. Okay, so these are removed from this circle. So we have to find out the leftover area. So for that we need to know the area of the circular sheet. Then we need to know the area of these two circles and this rectangle. Now from the total area we remove the area of the two circles and the rectangle. We come to know the leftover area. Okay. So let's start. Very easy question. And everything is given, nothing we have to find. All the radii, the length, the breadth, everything is given. So, radius of the circular sheet, card sheet. I am just writing sheet, okay? Circular sheet is equal to how much? 14 centimeters. So let's find out its area. Pi r square, that is 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. 7 and 14 get cancelled. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, that is 44. 44 multiplied by 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 17 and 44. 616 centimeter square. Now, what is given? The radii of the two circles. Okay. Let me check once. This is not the book. No, it's the book. 3.5 centimeters. So, area of one circle. Pi r square. That is pi 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. Okay, now we divide 7 ones are and 7 fives are, so 0.5. So 22 into 0.5 and then into 3.5. Let's do it. I am doing it here. 22 into 5. 5 is a 10, 5 is a 10, 10 multiplied by 35. 35 are multiplying by 11 and then we will add 1 0. 1 0 here, so 1 0. How many decimal places? 1 and 2. So here also 1, 2 decimal will come here. So this is 38.50. Okay. This is the area of first circle. We have to find the area of the second circle also. So, both the areas will be same because the radius is same. Two fives are 10, 2 8 are 16, 17, 2 3 are 6, 7. 77.0 centimeter square. Now we find the area of the rectangle. For that we write the length and breadth of the rectangle. Length of the rectangle 3 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So we write the area of the rectangle, that is length into breadth, that is 3 centimeter into 1 centimeter, that is 3 centimeters square. Okay, so now we know the area of the two circles and the rectangle. We need to remove it from the total area to find out the leftover area. Yes, so now the next statement will be area of the remaining sheet. Okay, so what is the total area? 616 centimeters square minus area of circle, two circles. Okay, area of two circles. So that is 77 centimeters square plus 3 centimeters square. 616 centimeters square minus 80 centimeters square. 77 plus 3 gives us 80. Now we subtract 616 and 80. The answer is 536 centimeter square. So this completes your question number. This is class 6th maths book. I am always touching that only. Here. Question number 10. Then we go to the next question. Question number 11. A circle of radius 2 centimeter is cut out. Again, I think it is the same type of a question. Now, I hope you all have written it. So, I am erasing it. A circle of radius 2 centimeter is cut out from a square piece of an aluminium sheet of side 6 centimeters. What is the area of the leftover? The same thing from the area of the square. First we find out the area of the circle, then we find out the area of the square, and then we subtract the area of circle from the square to get the leftover area. Okay, so let's start. Radius of the circle is given. First we write the radius of the circle and then we find the area of the circle. Is it written take 3.14? Take pi as 3.14. So let's do that only. 3.14 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. So I am multiplying 3.14 by 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 5. 3 4s are 12. So answer is 12.56 centimeter square. This is the area of the circle. Now we have to find the area of the square, whose each side is given. So each side of the square sheet, each side of square sheet area of left over sheet is equal to area of square minus area of circle. Area of square, how much is the area of square? This one. 36 centimeters square minus 12.56 centimeter square. We subtract the 2 now. So 36.00 minus 12.56. The answer is 23.44 centimeter squared. This completes question number 11. Rest will continue on Monday.